Hey there, I'm Dana, one of your learning partners from TikTok Shop, and I'm here to help you explore the world of shoppable videos, what sets them apart from short videos, and why they're crucial for brands on TikTok. Imagine you're scrolling through TikTok. You see two types of videos pop up through your feed. Short videos that are crafted to entertain and engage with audiences, and shoppable videos that are specifically focused on products and made to stimulate purchases. Short videos are like feature-length films. They focus on a central narrative rooted in storytelling and branding to raise awareness. Short videos are your opportunity to communicate the value proposition of your brand to your audience. On the other hand, shoppable videos are like shorts. The individual videos have their own individual story arc and can exist on their own. They are produced more rapidly while focusing on driving immediate sales. Shoppable videos are your opportunity to tell a product story with specific call to actions that trigger the urgency to purchase. But don't be mistaken, both formats feel organic to TikTok. They're aimed at creating a connection with the TikTok community and are tailored towards specific audiences. You're wondering why shoppable videos are special? Well, here's the answer. They're incredibly versatile and play a crucial role for brands every step of the way. Shoppable videos are attention magnets and spark the user's gotta have it feeling. On the platform, you have the opportunity to tell your story and wow with your product. Shoppable videos not only grab attention, but also direct traffic to shoppable live streams, expanding your customer base. They bring products to your consumers, fueling their urge to place orders. So, make the most of the power of shoppable videos. Your challenge for this lesson? Brainstorm an idea for a shoppable video that tells your brand story and showcases one of your products. Think, what's the sizzle, the emotion, the wow factor? In our next lesson, we'll be walking through how to add products to your short videos. I'll see you there.